All right. Messed up the last video and now it's sideways. So this time we're gonna get it this time. We're gonna hopefully get it this time. All right. My name is Daniel Rosales. I'm doing this for my class SGS 340. I'm a student at Arizona State University. Um, my major doesn't even have to do with this class. I just need it for extra credits. I'm trying to be a history teacher. But it is a very interesting class, and it's human rights and stuff. So why would you not care about that? Anyway, this article that I chose that I'm going to be talking about is from Germany. It was posted April 3rd, so literally yesterday. Excuse me, my nose is itchy. Um, so the title is German Proposal to Strip Citizenship Endangers Human Rights. So I feel like that title is a little bit clickbaity, and it has like the subtitle Scrap Proposal to Remove German Citizenship from Dual Citizens. And so this leaked paper, whatever that means, if it was like just fell out of the copier machine and someone picked it up, or a leaked paper, just whatever that means. But anyway, it comes from the conservative political parties, the Christian Democratic Union and Christian Social Union, and they want to add a clause to the Germany's national law to revoke German nationality from dual citizens that are deemed supporters of terrorism, anti-Semite, and extremist. So I mean, that sounds not like a bad idea, but people don't like it because they think it can be discriminatory and arbitrarily, and people can be discriminated and arbitrarily, uh, attacked. Um, so I mean, that's why people don't like it. It makes sense. I mean, you don't want to see like the Democratic Party using it against their opposition to pick on certain people to get them in trouble. So I mean, things could arise, or if you just want like certain people out and you discriminate, this someone just because blah blah blah. I mean, there's a lot of like hoops I feel like you gotta jump through to get that done, but people don't like it. I mean, it attacks the basic human rights, and I mean, it kind of does. It does for dual citizens. They're getting attacked. So I mean, that's a problem that people don't like. So there's that. Let's see. So then this goes with like what I just said, like the political. I mean, you don't want like a political group attacking the other one, and you don't want people getting picked on because that's not good for Germany. Because discriminating in Germany has got some history to that, so you don't want to do that. And it seems like they have the Democratic Social Party, well, the Social Democratic Party, has opposed this law and has previously opposed it, has not agreed to the proposal, sorry, and has previously opposed it. So it sounds like this conservative group has tried to do this before, and it just ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna pass. And it says from the Article 16 of the Germany's constitution is that the basic law stipulates that no German may be deprived of his citizenship. A clause that was introduced to the Nazis' persecution of Jews. So, you know, that history again, Nazis not a good thing. Definitely not a good thing. Uh, yeah. I mean, how does the human race connect to content in this course? Anyway, we're gonna skip past that. But I mean, it connects us in like a sense that like, it's basic human rights. You don't want attack basic human rights no matter what, no matter anything, even if it's like against extremists or against anti-Semite people. It still attacks certain people, and it's not fair. It's not equal. But I'm already talking for 4 minutes, and this is only supposed to be a 3-minute video, so I'm gonna keep this chugging along, keep chugging, chugging, chugging. Uh, but yeah, it doesn't really say why they want to do this. It's just like they just want to add it. Um, I mean, just a serious risk for freedom of expression, of course, for those dual citizenship people. I mean, when you read it, it doesn't really like say why. I mean, sure, they want to do it because maybe they do want to pick on people and discriminate them. It's not how I roll, but it's Germany. You know how they roll. You know what they do and stuff and what they did. But anyway, besides that, I'm gonna bring in two thought-provoking questions. Um, I mean, the first one is kind of like an iffy question, really. I mean, if they're only attacking dual citizens, is it because they want to discriminate people? Like, if they're not doing it towards regular citizens, it sounds like they want to discriminate on purpose. So why aren't they doing that? Why don't they just do it for regular citizens? What's up with that? And is it the same process for these regular citizens against these dual citizens? How does that process go? Uh, Maybe a solution is just like have better court rulings. Make sure if you're getting these people in trouble and think they actually are like teaming up with anti-Semites and terrorists and extremists, do your do your research first. Don't just jump to the conclusion. My second thought-provoking question, it went away. I lost it, but it was there. I did have a second question. Yeah, maybe this ain't really thought-provoking too much, but I mean, would other countries join in on this? I don't think so. But maybe if like people get scared, countries get scared, they start to think World War III is about to happen, they might pick it up and be like, you know what? If you're half German, half dual citizen, you gotta pick a side, brother. So yeah, that's my bread. That's what I'm putting into this convo. Um, yeah, my name is Daniel Rosales. Hope you enjoyed listening to me talk and staring at me. And have a good day.